Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Intel. We've already shared an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates that could potentially impact your investments. Looking to make more informed trading decisions? Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Important note, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 18, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate with a score of 3.37. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 4.6%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 1.15% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend, indicating potential further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 34.6% change in the next 3 months, resulting in a potential return between 26.96% and 50.53%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 57.99% change over the next year, with a potential return between 19.66% and 68.23%. This could result in a price range of $58.50 to $82.25 after 1 year. Our latest update on Intel reveals that the stock price increased by 1.39% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, the Intel stock price rose from $48.22 to $48.89, marking a gain of 1.39%. This positive trend has continued for the past 4 days. It will be interesting to see if the stock can maintain this upward trajectory or experience a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $47.32 and a high of $48.94, representing a 3.42% variation. Over the last 2 weeks, there has been a 0.91% increase in the stock price. The trading volume decreased by 7 million shares on the last day, with a total of 37 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to around $1.81 billion. It's important to note that a decline in volume at higher prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning of possible changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Intel stock was $51.28, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the stock price is 4.65% or $2.39 lower than the 52-week high and 29.44% or $20.40 lower than the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when it reached $69.29. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Intel Corporation. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Similarly, Bank of America Securities provided a neutral grade with an upgrade action for Intel on the same day. Finally, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities assigned an outperform grade with an upgrade action to Intel. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. The PE ratio and price to book are both rated as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the current signals for Intel, a technology company. Let's start off with the stock's performance. It's important to note that there are mixed signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -3.68%. Analysts predict that it may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Despite these sell signals, the Intel stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This gives a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. This suggests that the stock may rebound in the future. If the stock experiences corrections and falls, there will be some support from the lines at $47.46 and $46.46. However, if it breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's crucial to keep an eye on these levels. Lastly, let's look at the volume and price. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It's important to closely monitor the stock to make informed decisions. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 205 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Let's talk about the support levels for Intel stock. Currently, there is strong support just below today's level at $46.16 and $45.18, based on accumulated volume. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $46.16 is broken, the next support will be at $45.18 and $43.35. It's important to consider the risk associated with trading this stock. Intel has average movements during the day and good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. In the last day, the stock moved $1.62 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 3.42% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.26%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Intel, let's first understand some important fundamental data. One such data point is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us evaluate a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is currently facing financial losses. It's not uncommon for well-established companies to experience downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistent negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, let's turn our attention to the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, which is scheduled for January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.430 per share. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Intel. If Intel experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $50.25. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before considering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Intel faces a downward trend, its first support level can be found at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a potential rebound. The average rating for Intel from various analysts is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. made an insider purchase of 141,791 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. made an insider purchase of 62,189 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe made an insider purchase of 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. made an insider purchase of 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. made an insider sale of 6,477 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated as negative with a ratio of -8.220. Overall, insiders have purchased 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $47.14 with a decrease of 3.58%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 17 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals that indicate a positive trend for Intel stock. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that our systems have found the current price to be overvalued, considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 24th, we anticipate Intel to open with a decline of $0.507, starting trading at $48.38. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We wish you success in your trading journey and hope you have a wonderful day.